Off he goes.
Steady!
Now steady. He's going to try and bring those sheep to the last place he saw me. And if I go right, he's going to go left. If I go all the way over here to these folks over here, hello, he'll try and bring me those sheep. He's going to gather them all up. If I go all the way over here, he'll bring them over here while I talk to you. If I come back over here, he'll bring them over here. If I come over here, can't you just imagine he's wishing I would stand still? And if I do stand still, if I do stand still, sheep at my feet. There he is. Sheep at my feet. Doing what border collies do. Lie down. Good boy. Freebie. Walk up. Now, one of the things that you're going to hear me say a lot and do a lot during this whole demonstration, lie down.